Hey everyone, we've been out geocaching and we happened to be driving down this road and we saw this beautiful waterfall, so we decided to stop. So we're going to share that with you, so check this out. I can't get real close, but we'll do our best. With all the rain we've had lately, the water's flowing pretty good. Wish we could get a little closer, but still a nice view. Have a little color in the trees. What do you think, Rana?
Well, guess what?
What?
Well, on my phone, I decided to check on a few things, and guess what? There is a geocache here. So let's go find it.
Wow, a geocache and a beautiful waterfall all in one place. Who'd figure? We should have knew better. All right, let's go find it.
Well, I think the only spot it could actually be. Let me take a look.
And we got it. So till the next one, see you there.
Bye.